Guys, today we talk about how can you select location on your FedEx app. We will go to figure out the selection or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on locations here. So then it's going to take you to this list. If you want to turn on your location, it's going to show for you here. If you don't, you just here can you select location here. So you want to add on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. So you just keep zoom in like this. Then when it's going to show for your country here or your city, then here can you select your location. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.